this is my first time doing a dress candy apple, and I'm gonna bring it right to you. I'm the DIY Queen Diva, and make sure you vote this year. Okay, so first you need your fondant, whatever color you're going to use. I'm using white fondant, and I'm just gonna roll out my fondant as thin as I can get it with my silicone rolling pin. You can use a silicone rolling pin, or you can use one of those little small fondant rolling pins. Okay, so right now I am just getting my fondant as thin as I can to drape over my candy apple. Okay, so I got my fondant really thin, and I am going to get my chocolate candy apple and just drape the fondant over the candy apple stick. Okay, so you just let the fondant fall down. You're going to press down over the fondant, and then the part that's hanging down, you want to get your kitchen scissors and just cut the extra fondant off. I am trimming the bottom of the dress with the scissors. So just cut the extra fondant that's hanging. So I am pressing down on the fondant to make the creases in the dress. You will need a heart cookie cutter. So I just cut out a heart with my cookie cutter, and I am going to use my fondant tool and cut the bottom of the heart so this heart can sit up on the apple. Okay, so I am placing the heart on top of the apple, and then I am going to make a belt to go in between the heart and the apple. So I'm going to grab my silicone rope mold to make the belt. So I place the fondant in the mold, and then I pull the fondant out. This is my belt. So I'm going to put this in between the heart and the apple to make my belt. So I'm wrapping my belt around in between the apple and the bottom of the heart. I am going to add some candy hearts around the belt so this dress doesn't look too plain. This dress is looking too plain. I need to add some more stuff, maybe some flowers on the dress as well. So I'm going to add some flowers. Um, I'm using this flower stamp, and I'm just going to stamp it on the dress. I'm going to stamp the flowers on the dress. I'm using my fondant tool to straighten the flower out on the dress. Fondant can be sticky. So I'm placing another flower on top of the first one, and then I am going to use one of the heart candies to put in the middle of the flower. So I added a bow on top of the heart that I had, and we're pretty much done here. I need to put probably a fancy bow on the candy apple stick, and that's it. Just put a little hot glue on the back of the bow and stick it on your candy apple stick. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to share, tell your friends and family about my channel, and you guys have a great day. Bye bye.